Glad, mad, and sad. Mabuhay or in Kapampangan, luwid kayo. Inspired by an old online forum thread from over 15 years ago, this video is all about what made me glad, mad, and sad in the past week. In no particular order, what made me sad in the past week was the series of earthquakes in the Philippines. On Monday, there was a 6.1 magnitude earthquake in Central Luzon in northern Philippines, particularly in the province of Pampanga where I was born. And then on Tuesday, there was a 6.4 magnitude earthquake in eastern Visayas, one of the poorest regions in the Philippines. And then, in the days that followed, a series of earthquakes of up to 4 to 5 magnitude happened throughout the country. It shook and rocked many regions, particularly in Mindanao. And that's literally a series of huge earthquakes, powerful earthquakes rocking the country within just days of each other. And within a span of less than a week, it hit all three of the major geographical island regions of the Philippines, from Luzon in the north, the Visayas in the middle, and Mindanao in the south. And what makes me mad is that in many of these areas, the people who were hit really hard and yet barely gets any aid are the indigenous communities, such as our Aitas of Central Luzon. And as a descendant of an Aita chief myself, it breaks my heart to see them suffer and be neglected yet again. But what made me glad this week was that despite the distance, people are always down to help. People like folks from NAFCON or the National Alliance for Filipino Concerns, people from the FPP or the Foundation for Philippine Progress, and people from my own organization, Araullo, and yes, even my young students and interns. And I am glad to be part of such amazing organizations and alliances such as NAFCON. I am glad to be surrounded by such amazing and passionate people. And I am especially proud of my own students at UC Davis. Because within just less than an hour after talking to them about the earthquakes and asking them if they're interested in helping, they're on it. They were quick to act, quick to respond. They were quick to follow through and eager to help in the ways that we can. In whatever ways we can help the people back home despite being abroad. Which makes me mad excited about the upcoming activities and events that we are hosting to raise aid and awareness for the people affected by the disasters in the Philippines. So, if you are in the Yolo County, UC Davis, Sacramento area, don't forget to follow me on social media so we can keep you posted and updated about our upcoming events and activities. And for everyone who want to help NAFCON and Rise Up Yolo in our collective efforts to support the communities affected by the recent earthquakes in the Philippines, check out the links below. And if you like this t-shirt, this design, get yours today and help us help our people back in the motherland. I designed this shirt as a fundraiser back when Typhoon Haiyan hit the Philippines in 2013. And now it's back and available in dozens of options. From hoodies to toddler t-shirts and even stickers and in a wide variety of colors. And all the proceeds will go towards helping the people in need back in the motherland. So yeah, that's it for my glad, mad, and sad for today. So shout out to my OG Skyscraper City Philippines friends for over 15 years. And to the Samahan sub-forum from where the original glad, mad, and sad thread came from. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see me make more videos like this, more glad, mad, and sad videos, let me know in the comment section below. Dakalpong salamat! See you next time on Tagalog Kita Kits and in Kapampangan, Mikitix!